What is the Matrix? Control.
Controversial influencer
A controversial online influencer and self-confessed misogynist is facing charges this morning for human trafficking, rape, and organized crime.
In Romania as part of a human trafficking and rape investigation.
The Matrix is a computer-generated dream world, built to keep us under control.
You have to resist the slave mind. You have to look at it all and understand they are trying to make a slave of you. Every single thing about the modern world is deliberately constructed to get us to a point where they can come along and lock you in your house for something with a 99.9% survival rate, and you're going to sit there and take it like a bitch anyway. First you get canceled, then they make up a reason to put you in jail. And if that fails, they kill you.